Hey everyone, today we are drawing a unicorn emoji. I haven't done those in a while, both videos and tutorials about emojis. This is my second one. First of all, I will show you a demo. Of course, we will draw on paper. I just thought that it will be of better quality if I will show you how to draw right on the screen. So I'm using Paint Tool Side. I have my reference image to the left. And you have to understand that the unicorn, it's basically a small and a big circle that I connect with lines. So I draw out two circles. I'm cheating a little bit because I do not have a grid or a pencil to measure my sizes. Then now I make an axis just to check am I right or wrong. And now I connect the circles with a curve, draw a little bit of the mouth, and draw the neck. Now I set up the place where the unicorn will go. Make an axis on the reference picture. I would do the same thing if I would do it on paper, but I would do the axis with my pencil. So another thing I'm trying to explain is that the hair looks like little flames of fire. So what you want to do is just think of every strand as a little flame. So see, now I'm sketching out the placement of the hair, and then I'm just erasing some unneeded parts. And now I see that looks pretty okay. I would put the eye lower though, but it's fine. I've done almost the same thing on paper. I just didn't really have the good quality to demonstrate it to you. After that, I will be tracing the sketch tan-toned Strathmore paper. So after I have done that, the tracing, I take out my Prismacolors. In this tutorial specifically, I'll be using Prismacolors. First, I take the darkest color, black, carefully fill in the eyeball and the nostril, but not completely. I should not completely fill in the eyeball. Later on, I'm taking a blunt white Prismacolor and making a tone on the unicorn, because if I take a sharp Prismacolor, then the color will dig in the paper and it will be impossible to blend because of wax residue. Then I sharpen my white pencil and draw the lightest parts of the unicorn. First I sketch them out, and then I make them wider as they are on the reference. So here I press on my pencil pretty hard because I know that this is going to be the lightest part. I won't really touch it with colors, maybe just the borders, and that's it. when I'm done with that, I take the magenta, some purple tones, and start blocking in the colors into the hair and the nose, and then I go on with blending. Notice the unicorn is not just white, it has a blue highlight on it, and it has some purple shadow on the bottom. Sometimes I'm very lazy, and to blend my colors I use a colorless blender, but you can also use white color or a lighter color, or even the same color of your pencil. So I'm switching between the colors, taking white, black, colored. This is the result that I got. Now I'm going to work on the hair and on the ears and the unicorn itself. Over here you can see close up how I'm working on the ears and how I'm blending everything together. Now for the hair, I take the darkest color, draw out the shadows. Then I take a light purple, make the light part of the hair or the mane, and then I take a mid-tone and start blending all this out. Of course, I leave some space because you will see on the reference that the hair has a white color in it, so it's like shiny, like it's made out of plastic. So now I take a sharp white pencil and start blending everything in. On the light part, in some places, if I feel that the tone is a bit too dark, I take the white and I calmly blend in the colors. Over here you can see how I am using my colorless blend. The main goal is just to put away those little tiny holes in the color, to put away the texture of the paper, and that's it. If you won't have those little dots, little light spots, it means that you have done your job well. But the thing is, when you use the colorless blender, you press really hard and you cannot layer any color on that stuff. So that is more like a final step using this type of blender. Then I would take some white and maybe add some white in places, but you see I cannot make the white as opaque as I want it to be. Well, I don't really need to make it very opaque here, but it will not work so well. So now I take exactly 12 colors. You can use your own colors, you can do whatever you want, and start drawing the unicorn itself. So what I do is I take the darkest color, I outline one section of the unicorn, and after that I take the lighter color and start blending all this out. So I start blending the dark and the white together. If I see that my white got kind of covered a little bit with the color, I just take a white sharp pencil and try and make the white areas a little bit whiter. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos of how to draw emojis, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and bye-bye.